Okay, good morning, happy new week, happy Monday. This is my setup for today, and I don't know if it will exceed to this week, but for now, this is my setup. I have this zone marked out. I've already marked out all my zones on the pairs that I trade. So on Euro AUD, I have this zone marked out already. So is here is a zone, is our supply price. I'm not going to take any buy on this zone because, like I said, is our supply zone for weeks or months. So now that I've already mapped my zone, the market is actually on an uptrend. So but since we are at this zone, like I said, I'm not just going to place a trade. I will wait and see what the market will do. So I already mapped my zone here. This is my 5-minute swing low and swing high. This is 15-minute swing low, swing high. So I'm just going to wait. If this market now will break our my 5-minute swing low, then I'll wait for a test on this other block. You see this other block that is forming here, this indecision candle. I'll just wait for a retest. If it break down, I will see if there will be a retest, and then I will take my sell, put my stop loss up here, and then my TP will be at our 15-minute swing low. Then for um, GBP well, for this pair, I was actually looking at taking a position around here, but then when I woke up this morning, we have this gap. The market just jumped and we have this gap here. So price has already broken. This is like our monthly zone here, this black line. The price broke, it came down to retest. I was supposed to take this buy, and target this swing high, but the reason I did not take it is because of this gap here. I don't know how to trade gap. I don't know how to trade gap. I've not even looked into it before, but I know that there is a strategy to trade this, and I know maybe I've heard too that price will obviously come back to it and all that. So I don't want to risk that for now. So I'm just going to wait and see if this price can break this swing high. Then I'll make here my swing low and then look for a retest around another block within this swing low, and then I'll follow the trend. So for now, I'll just stay away from GBP and see what the price will do. So then on GU, I'm in a trade on GU. So we had this push to the upside this morning. So I'm just going to take the trade and target my 15-minute swing high here, and then after that we'll see. We all know that the GU has been going down recently, so but this morning, since last week, I sense buy. So let's see. I'm already in a buy, and let's see where it will get to. And then the next pair that I'm looking at is AUD card. It's already going up. AUD card, I've been swinging AUD card for like 2 weeks now. As price was coming to retest on this other block, I decided to follow the price to retest on this other block. I just came out this morning when I got here, and then I noticed that maybe this is a sweep of liquidity. Maybe price might not come directly to my other block, so I decided to come out of the market here. But I will be looking at placing a buy position on AUD card. I'll be looking at placing a buy position on AUD card, but for now I'm just going to, let me show you. For now, this is my intention. As you can see, we have swing high and swing low here that sweep this liquidity. We have swing high and swing low, so I'm just going to wait for price to break out this swing high. If price break our swing high, then I'll look for another block around here for a retest, and then I'll go up. And if I take a buy on this trade, on this pair, it's also going to be a swing buy. So let's see the 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute time frame is still the same thing: swing high, swing low, and I'm just going to wait for price to break it. Or if price can break here and I see a retest, maybe I'll just cap to our swing high. But for now, let's see. So currently I'm only in a position for GU, and let's see. Okay, so this is where we are. I actually moved my stop loss to break even, and yeah, so far I think we're approaching our TP. So let's keep going. Okay guys, so this is it. Currently now is 12 o'clock and I'm still on this trade. I think I'm going to come out of this particular trade because I'm tired of waiting, and actually the price got really close to my TP and then came down. So I don't know if this is this pullback. I don't know if after this pullback it's still going to push higher. But for now I think I will just come out and wait and see what GBP USD will do next. So, and then for our other pairs, for AUD card, this morning when I checked AUD card, I think it was let's see. Okay, this morning when I checked AUD card, I think price was around here or here, something like that. So it's still going up, and I don't know. I have this strong support level up here, this black horizontal line. I also have this level for, if price break this level, maybe, just maybe, I'll look for pullback and buy. Or if it comes here and then I'll go to the lower time frame. If I see more like a pullback or a downward movement, I will take the sell to my zone here and be expecting the buy from there. On the overall trend, AUD card is actually buying. So we had this series of pullback to our zone. So currently we've not gotten to the zone we are here. But if it wants to come up, fine. We'll just wait for it. Like I said, that's my plan. And for Euro AUD, okay, this one is kind of tricky because I had a plan. This morning. I drew this line as my 5-minute swing low, and this is my swing high. So I had this demand zone here. Price came to the demand zone, my 5-minute swing high demand zone, and then but still has not been able to break through our swing high. And at the same time, here is a zone that I'm actually expecting a pullback from or a rejection from. So I will still wait. My plan was, if this movement could break here, then I'll wait for a retest and then sell to this level. But since it did not break and has not break here, I will still wait until price break either this level or this level. The reason why I'm taking my time to check the reactions is because of this zone here. Like I said, this is a resistance zone. On Is there even on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, 4 hour. So I'll just wait to see what will happen. If price break to the downside, then I'll wait for a pullback and then take it to the downside for now. Then for GBP JPY, is actually very funny because I said in the morning that I actually placed a limit order here, but then funny enough, price jumped and break through our resistance zone went up, and I did not take any trade here again because, like I said earlier, I don't know how to trade this zone. I don't know how to trade the gap, so I think I just have to stay away from it until, let me see what price will do, either break here or break here to the upside. And then, so for now I am away from VPJPY. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe.